everyone, welcome to another crafty and DIY with Nora. Real quick, this is a picture frame. This about 5 years ago, more than 5 years ago probably, I bought this. I go to this. Well, the manager's not there no more. No more, excuse me. And I bought a whole bunch of frames. You won't even imagine how much I paid for it. This was a prior project I had. I'm not gonna get into it, but I took it apart and I don't throw anything away. So what I'm gonna do is refurbish it or revamp it. I put padding, and I don't know why at the time I put this felt here, but I'm gonna take it out because I need this felt. I cut some. I went to Dollar Tree to see if I can get some, but they didn't have any. I need this. So I took the backing of this. I got the stand for it. It's old. So what I'm gonna do is, I had made some bunnies. I'm gonna cover this up with this. I'm gonna tape it up. Glue it up. But first of all, I'm gonna paint this, and I'm gonna paint this with this color. Okay? But I'm not gonna paint it all the way because I want the white to show. So I'm gonna use my little bunnies I did. So guys, painting I shall do now. See? Well. So I painted it. I didn't paint it all the way because I did not cover it all because I just didn't like this brown.
At Zappos.com,
I just gave it a little dirty look, so to speak. So now what I'm gonna do is do this part here.
The most effortless way to shop online and only keep what you love.
Hold it down.
Introducing M&M's album art packs. Celebrating iconic and barrier-breaking musical artists from yesterday and today. New M&M's album art packs. Available now.
I really didn't want it that color, but you know.
Las familias se cuidaban unas a otras. Pero hoy en día
I'm going to fix it up really pretty. So whatever I didn't like that I put, I just add on to make it something that I like. I'm debating whether I want to put it like this. I might just have to put it like this because if I put it like this, even though I still look thinking cute, I think I'm going to put it like this. So I'm going to glue the back. Do this piece first. Okay, let's get some glue here. And I'm going to put glue on the pieces that you know is going to stick.
Radio's in the bag. Binocs as well. There's a bed set on the top floor of the
So
store.
let me see what I have there too. Add a little
Keys to the roof.
spoon to the front, whatever I got there.
Then don't talk to
But
anyone.
look how cute. Bam. Okay. I have some, I always make these and keep them in hand. My handmade flowers. So, what I'm going to do, I don't know. Let me show you. You see? I'll make sure to put in the link for my flowers. Gonna add 4 on each side. Hold it down. And 4 on this side. 1, 2. Am I missing one? 1, 2. Drops. No, there they go. Ah, so cute. So, I have a little white one here. Let me see. me stand it up. I think I'm going to add one right here. And just keep it plain and put a white one right here. And you could just add on whatever you want to it. Little ribbons I did myself. You see? And there you go. Thank you guys for watching Crafting and DIY with Nora. Make sure to subscribe, follow, share, comment, like. Until our next video.